Pepe coin holders, I've got a video for you guys. Today we're going to be talking about Pepe because, man, oh man, there is some crazy volatility in the market. So without further ado, welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm maxi. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys, so first things first, we are starting off with looking at Pepe. And guys, right now, we're selling off a little bit. But I will say when you're just looking at the trend line here, we're holding up relatively well. I mean, we're not breaking down. We're not making a new lower low. But guys, right now, the President of the United States has created a meme coin. And now there's the First Lady made a meme coin. And it is sucking up that liquidity, my friends. It is pulling the liquidity out of the entire market. We're going to be talking about that. But I do think that it is opening up a lot of great opportunities for some of these hard assets and for some of these meme coins that have staying power like Pepe. So if you do want to take advantage of that, check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below, and you can sign up to Blowfin. You get a $5,000 sign-up bonus as well as 15% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account if you want to be buying these dips, or if you want to be longing Trump coin or shorting Trump coin and his First Lady's wife's coin, and who knows, maybe by tomorrow there'll be more coins. But take advantage of that, guys. No other exchange is offering that 15% off all trading fees. It's a very, very good advantage. You get to get extra crypto. You get a better bang for your buck, especially if you're buying that dip. So let's take a look at Pepe here. Pepe sitting at rank 26, down nearly 10% in the past 7 days, and 17% drawdown in the past 24 hours. Guys, I mean, sitting at a $6.56 billion market cap, I'm telling you, all this liquidity is, people are just panic selling and selling all their crypto to buy Trump coin and Melania coin. It is absolutely mind-boggling. It is a wild time to be in the cryptocurrency space, and I do think it's going to get even crazier. If that's possible, I don't know. Tell me in the comments section below, how can this get even crazier than it already is? But I think it will. I do expect some craziness here, and it is a very fascinating time. But I do think that it's really, really manic right now, and you're seeing a lot of people that are not crypto native come to the space. Retail FOMO, FYI, guys. And I do think that we're going to get ready to see some big moves and lots of volatility across the board. When you look at the overall market, I mean, just look at this, guys. Look at this. This is crazy. Red across the board. Everything's selling off. Look at that. And then official Trump is up 57%. But, guys, we're talking absolutely... It's up billions and billions and billions of dollars in the span of like 72 hours. It's absolutely insane. And like I said, people are panic selling everything to try to get in on this because, guys, the U.S. president launched a coin. It's absolutely mind-boggling. But what does that mean for Pepe, guys? I think that it's going to be opening up a lot of opportunities. I mean, like, you're seeing a lot of these coins sell off right now. And historically, usually on Inauguration Day, we see a sell-off. We do see a sell-off. The past Inauguration Day, we saw a sell-off, and I think that we're probably going to see something similar like that play out. But then following that into February, we get quite a nice bounce, and I do expect something like that to play out. Something I want to emphasize here, Bitcoin dominance, 57.5% when we exclude stablecoins, nearly 60%, my friends. We're talking about 59.5%. It's absolutely insane, and I do expect, you know, if you watch my video from yesterday, I was talking about how, you know, if a Bitcoin strategic reserve gets announced, say on day one, what a lot of people are betting on, I think a lot of people weren't expecting a Trump coin, a meme coin, but if a Bitcoin strategic reserve gets announced and the executive order comes in, I expect Bitcoin dominance to rally, and I expect Bitcoin to probably make a larger move or people to sell some of their alts for Bitcoin. And now maybe it will be a sell the news event, but I don't think so. I do think that the price will probably move up, especially it'll be in tandem with a move into February. I think that by mid-February, we're going to be seeing a lot more clear depiction of where this market is headed here in 2025. But as of right now, I do expect that there's some good opportunities to be buying Pepe and buying some of these other memes because everyone is so laser focused on these meme coins right now. The new meme coins like Trump and Melania token, I think a lot of people are going to sell out. And, well, guys, let's be honest here. Some of these other meme coins are better when it comes to tokenomics. I definitely have my gripes with some of these new political coins. 80% to the founders. 80% tokenomics is kind of a joke, in my opinion. Over on Crypto Twitter, you can follow me at 333 Black Sea. I say, what meme coins will perform the best in 2025? That's a really interesting question, and I really want to know what you guys think about this. Somebody said, Chad N said, Trump is going to. People new to crypto don't know about Doge, Pepe, or Sheeb, but they do now. They do know Trump. I agree with this. I do agree with this. I think that Trump coins are going to perform very, very well. But how long? How long is it going to last? How long are they going to be able to keep this price up before they dump it? And yes, I'm not just being a bear. I know some people in the comments will probably say, Black, so you're just being a bear because you didn't own any. Guys, I bought some. I made some good money. I still have a moon bag. But I'm just a little concerned about the overall cryptocurrency space right now with what's going on. I think we're moving at breakneck speeds, and it's going to be very, very interesting to see how this plays out. I mean, the liquidity is getting absolutely absorbed and put into these coins. It's getting pulled out of Pepe, and Bitcoin is looking pretty good. Bitcoin looks like it wants to make another move to the upside. We're in very, very interesting times. A lot of the jokes going on in crypto Twitter is you can't sleep. You can't sleep if you want to make it in crypto because these coins got launched in the middle of the night. But I do expect it will blow over. And sure, these coins may perform extremely well. We may see Trump become the #1 meme coin in the space, and it could pull a lot of liquidity out of Pepe and these other memes. But regardless, I do expect that the other memes are not going to go to zero. Pepe's not going to go to zero immediately. Nothing like that's going to crazy like that's going to happen as long as Bitcoin is making bigger moves to the upside. And I am really leaning into the idea here that a Bitcoin strategic reserve does get announced, and we probably see Bitcoin dominance rally. We probably see Bitcoin rally with it, and probably will pull even more liquidity out, and it'll probably punish some of these coins, probably the majority of the coins in the short term. But after Bitcoin makes its larger move and starts to trade sideways, then you should expect to see Pepe and all these other memes perform well, and all the other large caps perform well. I mean, look at Solana; it made a new all-time high, but now it's down. It's extremely volatile, guys. I've been saying 2025, phase 3 of the bull market in the 4-year cycle is always the most volatile, the most confusing, the most trappy, and it has the most gains. You need to be able to hold through, and you'll be convinced that it's over a few times, but it won't be. But one of those times it will be, so you need to be very, very dialed in and be taking profits along the way, guys. It's so important that you take profits along the way. I can't tell you enough how you don't want to be bag holding throughout the bear market. When you look at Pepe right now, it's holding up on this level, like I said, but we are basically consolidating. Like I do expect a bounce. I really do, sooner rather than later, probably into mid-February, like I've been saying for a while if you've been watching the channel. I think mid-February is kind of when we're going to have our clear idea of where this overall market is headed. If we're going to see Bitcoin make new all-time highs, which when you look at Bitcoin, getting the W with a little bit of a handle, tested 100,000. We should be getting ready to test previous highs at $108,000 and probably break above it and test 114 to 120,000. And that's where my eyes are on for the next few weeks and the next couple months into Q1 2025. And I do expect that altcoin season is going to be absolutely disgusting. I think it's going to be disgusting. It's going to be volatile swings, 100% gains, 80% sell-offs left and right. I think it's going to be absurd, and you just need to make sure that you zig when you're supposed to zig and you don't zag when you're supposed to zig. You guys understand what I'm saying? You got to be really on top of the game here. That's what I've been saying. The easiest way to make money in crypto is by buying in the bear market and just layering out as the price goes up. You are not going to time the top, my friend, so please be careful. If you're a Pepe coin bull, if you're a altcoin bull and you think the entire altcoins are going to go to the moon, you need to be careful, guys, because I think we're getting into that inning, the ninth inning, if you will, where maybe we're in like the 8th or 9th inning, I'll say, where things are going to get very, very crazy, but it'll be very, very trappy, so you need to be careful. The higher the price goes, the more dangerous it gets, guys. If you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Follow me at 333 Black Sea on Instagram and Twitter, and check out that 15% off with our affiliate link to Blowfin down below. You get $5,000 sign bonus and 15% off all trading fees. That's all I got for you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.